Hey, what's up, y'all? Happy Wednesday to you. Happy hump day. Got the feds coming on that too to see what he gonna do about the interest rate cuts. Market look like it's pricing things in. Just hope he get online and don't get on TV and don't be hawkish. He just be dovish. Tell us what he need. He need to tell us, hoping he do at least a 50% rate cut. We already expect a 25. Well, if he do a 25 now, give us at least a 50 before the year's out. It's September. So I think they meet again in October and December. I don't think they meet in November, I want to say. But see what's going to happen. Y'all subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button. Watch recent videos. Share my channel also. All right, urgent buys and sales. I did sell Angles. Ingles. Angles. Yeah, Angles or Angles. This is a grocery store. It got to be in Georgia, Tennessee, North Carolina. I brought them because I actually went to one when I was in the North Carolina mountains to my timeshare. I was either in Banner, no, I was in Cashiers, North Carolina, not Banner Elk. But I'm up there doing some hiking. But like I told y'all, I said as soon as I get past that $70 mark, I'm selling it. I sold 355 shares at $71, and I sold 0.8 shares at $71.23. Got up out of that. I didn't make much on that. I just wanted to get that money back because the dividend wasn't worth me holding it. There was another. Yeah, I sold Citigroup overnight. At least I scalped profits, which was a good swing trade. What swing trading about? As of right now, I got 3.29 shares with an average cost of $39.20, up 158% still. But I sold, oh God, this long, 5 shares at $100.71 overnight. So I took $503.55 in profit, or $302.98 in profit. Anyway, I was up $505 overall. So I took that. I'll keep the rest, see whether it's gonna run. Let's check out OPI real quick. Show y'all where that's at right now. It ain't having a sell-off. Think people just waiting on the interest rate cuts. It was down 71 cents today, went back to 8.79. On yesterday, it got up to 117. I'm just trying to figure out which point how long I want to hold this. I'm trying to hold it because this can really be a life-changing stock here. Not life-changing, but can make a change. Like I said, I got 4,778 shares. I mean, that's almost 5,000 shares. I'm up 86.8% now at 79 cents. Imagine what it was when it was at $1.17. Still got a 52-week low high of $2.44. If I hold this thing to $2, you talking about $2 times 4,000 shares, that's $8,000 already. And you talking about another 700 shares, that's another 1,400. So I could be up $9,400 just at two. I could have $9,400. That's why I'm holding it and see what's gonna happen. Usually I take profits. I'm not the one that had the ice waters in my vein on the wrist, in my veins or whatever, but I do think this gonna get at least back to $2. So I'm gonna try to hold out. I might go in and buy a couple shares at 70 cents to help push it up. But once I exit it, I'm out. I think that was the last one. Let's go ahead and get our stock so we can get on out of here. He come on at 2. And there's my swimming day. So go get me a nice swim in. PFLT, like I say, this will buy at the $10 and under mark. I think this was down today to $9.75. 52-week low is $8.82. What they got this is? People got this as a sale? No, should have been just a buy and hold. Anyway, only time I buy it is buying fractional shares, man. I ain't loading up on it. Like I said, got a 52-week low at $8.86. Probably never gonna see that again. That probably happened in April when Donald Trump came out the first time of tariffs and everything tanked. And probably not gonna see that price again anyway. ARR, I'm a residential REIT, $14.90. with this one here. But I'm gonna just go because I want to. I did buy a lot of shares though. I think I did buy like 150 shares. So I did come on down some. I'm gonna see what's gonna happen with these cuts. KHC, Kraft Heinz having a green day, but still in buy range at 25.83 or 26.13. It's at. So you got to bring that down. I like this below the $29 mark. Well, below the $28 mark. I just move things down with that one by buying price. Wendy's, green day today, but was down to 9.52. Like I said, I'm going to get a share every day now. Get another 5. I'm gonna get 5 shares, and I'm gonna get $3 worth at this price, just in case it just rises on up. Definitely take advantage below this $10 mark. Got to lower that average cost. Got Costco. And right here is a buy and hold stock. Nice one to pair with Walmart. That's why I got out of Angles or Anglass. Put that money in a Walmart or Costco. Costco got a. Come on, give me my stuff I need, man. 0.52% yield. This is a true growth stock. 52-week low, $867.16 with a high of $1,078.24. So definitely buying this one. Got this in another portfolio. WMT, Walmart just made a new 52-week high. 106. I got 15 shares. Average cost of $67.60. So riding out with Walmart, if it pull back to $97, I'm gonna throw me $1,000 in it. At least 500. SCHD still trading below the $28 mark. We'll get $2 more worth of that. Whereas at these prices, once they hit below the 28 and over, I'm not gonna bother it. DEO, Diageo Liquor Company at $100. Go get some of that if you're down in it. One other reason I'm getting out of it is because of the ADR fees. I did a video last night on a gas company. What it was called, Total Energies. They also have ADR fees. These are overseas stocks or companies. So you got to pay the ADR fees because it's a non-US based company. And the banks issue ADR fees to facilitate trading on the US exchange. So they got to pay fees to trade on the US stock market. Some banks require investors to pay periodic service fees, 1 cent to 3 cents a share. But it varies, so that's another reason why I'm getting out of that, along with tariffs. USOI down today, still below the $55 mark. Just dollar cost average on in it. CHMI got down to 261 today. It's gonna be another swing trade. It's gonna go back above the get 3 shares a day. It's gonna go back above the $3 mark. What's the 52-week low on this? 234. I get 3 shares and get 25 shares a week at the weekly low and knock it down so I can swing trade and make a couple bucks. Why bid? I buy this only at $10 and under. OXXQ already put a ex-dividend date out. I think it's like October the 16th, 12, whatever, for next month to pay 3.5 cents a share. So it's definitely a nice time right now to load up. Which I'm gonna do. Before this thing run up. I definitely get 100 shares at 208. Hit that one good time. PSEC, Prospect Capital, $2.77. They put out already a declaration date, got an ex-dividend date also for next month, showing they're gonna pay that 4.5 cents a share. So hit that one good time. Like I said, when these stocks down is where you got to go in and buy. Better double down, especially for that cash flow. HRZN down to 656. They already put another date out saying they paying 11 cents a share for October. And I'm gonna get $3 worth while I'm here. Because these fractional shares I'm not gonna sell. When I do scalp profit, sell all the shares that I'm buying right now for $7 and under in the future. All right. Let's go check out traps, get through with this trade, man. I had a short list today. Like I said, a lot of stuff green. I thought about selling my RYLD and putting in a ULTY. I can get 16 grand right now, but I don't think it's not worth doing because I got $162 coming a month. I could just reinvest that and worry about paying no taxes, so I'll be breaking even. But I can do one good 16 grand all at once, man, and it'll be on. I could buy ULTY, RYLD again if it go back down to the 1480 mark. Thought about it, but see what's gonna happen. I got another position in my Charles Schwab portfolio, so MFA still at below that 998 range. Got SLVO, got USOI. It's low enough for me to nibble at it. I like it below the $7 mark. I'm swing trading it in my other portfolio. I think I buy order at 666. Just need to bring down my average cost. AMDY the same and getting whooped. $3 worth today. TSLY still riding high. Just buy MSTY on the green, on the red days, man. A little $3 worth. Accumulated slowly, ain't loading up. This thing probably gonna pay a little under $1 for this month. AIYY, another one I sold. The shares at $2.70. Got an average cost now $2.37. I am buying back in at the 240 and under. May start to nibble at the 250, probably 260 range. No, probably 250 range. I'm just let it ride. It got to come down to me for me to buy it. Options on NVIDIA, NVDY 1560. I'm at 1716. Bring that cost down some more. GOOY like 13 and under. YMAX up there, still trading the 1280-ish range. That's why when I was buying all them shares at 1250, 1240, 5 shares here, 10 here, 25 here, y'all should have been following your boy. Got FEPI 4662. I'm at 44. No reason to bother that. TOPT SPYI. And just look at it. 5226. I'm actually up. Ain't worrying about SVOL. No, I'm up in that. Just check TSPY 2524. Not gonna bother that. AIPI, the AI ETF 4208. I'm at 4179. Ain't nothing to give a little dollar, just add something on into it. Build my position out. CHPY 54, I'm at 52. Let that pull back. QQQI 54, I'm at 51. That's it for the day. Let's check out the Dow. Forgot to do this one. DOW. $24.84. It's either gonna go up or it's gonna come back down to me. CHCT. That same thing. Either gonna go up, it's gonna come back down to me. All right, that's it. Y'all stay safe. Signing off. Go get your money.